Fly stitch is one of my favorites. Start by bringing your needle and thread up through one of the top points. I like to start on the left, but it doesn't matter which side you start on. Then go back down through the other top point, but don't pull your thread tight. You will want to leave a little loop. Next, you will come up at the middle point, being sure to come up through the loop of thread so that when you pull it tighter, it creates a V shape. You will go back down through the fabric at the next middle point and then repeat all of the steps again. Up on the left, down on the right, leaving a loop, up through the middle, creating a V, and then down at the next middle point. When you reach the end and have come up through the last loop, instead of moving ahead a stitch length, just go back down right on the other side of the V to tack down that stitch.